If you are a Stony Brook user, you should not have personal files stored within your SBU Google Drive account. To move these files into a personal Gmail account, please follow these steps. First, make sure that you have your own personal Gmail account. If you have your own personal Gmail account, you will have your own Drive account attached to it. In your SBU account, share the personal file with your private account and make yourself an editor. Then, in your personal account, either download or make a copy of the file. A copy of the file will exist in your personal Drive account and not your SBU account. Then, back in your SBU Drive account, delete the original file. Make sure to do this after a copy was made of it or if it was downloaded. Otherwise, you will lose access to the file. Thank you for watching. For more Google Drive related content, please subscribe to our channel.